tragic loss, Pastor Joseph Okidi passes away following a motorcycle accident. The Acholi community is mourning the untimely passing of Pastor Joseph Okidi, a beloved spiritual leader whose life was cut short following a tragic motorcycle accident. The incident, which occurred recently, left many in shock and disbelief as the community rallied in support and prayer for his recovery. Pastor Okidi was initially rushed to Lacho Hospital, where medical teams provided urgent care while family, friends, and congregants gathered in prayer for his survival. Witnesses described a scene of profound emotion, with many holding hands and shedding tears as they prayed for their pastor's health. The spiritual support and prayers from the community demonstrated the deep love and respect he commanded throughout his life. Due to the severity of his injuries, Pastor Okidi was subsequently airlifted to Kampala for specialized brain surgery at Kampala International Hospital. Despite the intensive care and advanced medical intervention, he sadly succumbed to his injuries on Monday, 6 October 2025. The news of Pastor Okidi's passing was officially shared by his family with a statement issued by Komakech Richard, group administrator of that WhatsApp group and relative of Pastor Okidi's late uncle, Gwa Charles. The statement expressed the family's profound grief and requested that the public remain calm and await further announcements regarding official arrangements and memorial programs. In a quote, the family of Gwa Charles, with deep sorrow, hereby announced the passing of Pastor Joseph Okidi, which occurred at Kampala National Hospital following his recent involvement in the motorcycle accident. We kindly request members of the public to stay calm and wait for the next communication. The statement read: Pastor Joseph Okidi was widely admired for his unwavering commitment to his ministry and the spiritual guidance he offered to his congregation. Known for his passionate heart and dedication to community development, he played a pivotal role in monitoring youth and supporting vulnerable families within the region. Many remember him as a man of humility, a source of wisdom, and a spiritual hunger for countless people in Gulu and beyond. The management of KIH, the institution with which Pastor Okidi was affiliated, is expected to release an official statement tomorrow, providing details of the upcoming programs and arrangements to honor his legacy. The community awaits this announcement as they prepare to celebrate the life of a man whose influence extended far beyond the walls of the church. Social media has since been flooded with tributes from congregants, short minutes. Despite earlier speculations which were rejected, colleagues and well-wishers have also expressed their grief and admiration for Pastor Okidi. Many have described him as a beacon of hope, a spiritual father, and a tireless servant of God whose teachings and acts of kindness will remain etched in their hearts forever. As the Acholi community comes to terms with this heartbreaking loss, prayers continue for the family, friends, and congregation members who are left to navigate the profound emptiness created by his sudden departure. May Pastor Joseph Okidi's soul rest in power, and may his legacy continue to inspire generations to come. The family urges all mourners to respect their privacy during this period of grief and await further guidance regarding memorial services and official condolences. Rest in power, Pastor Joseph Okidi. Your life and ministry will not be forgotten. Komakech Richard, Group Administrator, Joseph's uncle.